Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with a call from scrapbook.com and La La Land Crafts. So scrapbook.com, they had a special where if you got a VIP gift, and then you also become part of their little VIP thing, and 2 regular gifts that they're doing. I don't know if it's for Mother's Day or just whatever. So, sorry, everything's all crinkly. This is the VIP gift. Deluxe adhesive roller, 98 feet. And then this adhesive roller, which is a dotted refillable one. So I got those, which I think would be fun. I'll put that over here. The other gift was this Friendly Bouquets little stamp set. So there's that. And then, let's see, what did I get? So I got Round Trip, which is the new and newer Market Square's newer Maggie Holmes, along with Market Square ephemera and Round Trip ephemera. And then I got a couple of sheets of the Round Trip paper. I think I got the paper that... the strawberry paper is weird. I have no idea why I got this strawberry paper. Very, very weird. Interesting. But really, I wanted this one, which is all the cut aparts. So I did get that cut aparts because I'm gonna do some album making this summer. Yeah, just some album making. So I got that. And then when I did my La La Land Crafts class, they had an opportunity for us to get 25% off plus free shipping. And they had a release I really, really liked. Plus, I liked a lot of the product that we used. So we have this one, which I discovered. I think I have this, so this is probably going to have to go in a de-stash because I think I have this one. But this is called In My Heart for that one. So I am going to do some de-stashing. I've got this one, which is Marcy with Lilies, and I really love this one. This is Hey Know Me, and then this is their cave die, which I have the other 2 dies that are like this, and so you can make scenes with them. You could do shadow boxes. You could, make 3D effects. Really cool. I got the Sparkle and Shine paper. Let's see if I got any other stamp sets. I got mostly dies, I think. So I got a lot of dies from them. Their dies tend to be pretty expensive, but they're really nice. So I got the barbecue die, which is what I used in the class. Some of these were on clearance, so I did pick them up. I got the small hibiscus. I got this Paris die. I got this notebook die. I got the Celebrate die, like this. The Smile we got. I think we got the Smile die. And then the Celebrate is going to be coming in an upcoming release. This will be an upcoming release as well. This is the Sun die that I also got to use in the class. This is a vase, and it says Bloom. And then this is their daisy die. They have 2 different daisy dies. This one is the open, and then they had a side one. I got the open one. And then I think this is the side lily. I don't know why. They had a right butterfly and a left butterfly. So I got I think this is the right butterfly. And then I think this was a clearance one. I don't know what that is. Some kind of floral that was a clearance. I think it's like a cherry blossom. And then this butterfly, and then this little die, this brick die, that one. So a lot of these were clearance. These were not. These were the 2 pocket dies. And then that one was a clearance one. And so that's my haul. Thank you for watching. Cindy Create the Heart.